program. The Ocean County Library is excited to announce the Museum Pass program. This video will show you how to book a pass. To book a pass, visit the library's website, theoceancountylibrary.org, click Books and More, then click the Museum Pass program. Scroll down to the museum you'd like to visit and click on the name. Find the date you'd like to visit the museum from the list. Click on the museum name under the date for more information. Click Request to reserve a pass. Enter your library barcode number and click Submit. Verify that all your information is correct. You can add email or text reminders. Click Continue. If everything looks good, click Submit this request. If you've changed your mind, you can click Cancel. After this point, you'll be unable to cancel a reservation. Click Print Pass. Passes must be printed. If you don't have a printer, visit your local library for a complimentary print. To reprint your pass, click on My Passes. Enter your barcode. Click Submit, then click Continue. Click Pass Details for admissions information. Click Pass Info Center, then View Pass Info to reprint your pass. You can also email or text the pass information. Click on the museum name under the date for more information. Click on the Site button to visit the museum's website. Click on the Map button to get directions. Please enjoy visiting all the cultural institutions we have to offer.